Welcome to FinStechs from Laura and Anthony.
Great to be here.
We're seeing, well, some really big changes coming to how we all shop online, aren't we? It feels like things are about to get shaken up.
Oh, absolutely. There's some pretty fascinating stuff happening with AI integration, like taking the whole shopping experience and putting it right inside a chatbot.
Right, so it's not just about searching anymore.
Exactly. It's a potentially huge shift away from clicking through websites.
Okay, so let's dig into that. What do these new features actually look like for someone using it?
Well, the main thing is these integrated shopping features popping up, especially within ChatGPT.
Mm.
Imagine you're looking for something.
Yeah.
You can search, you can compare different products, check reviews, and then actually buy it, all without leaving the chat.
Wow, okay, so end-to-end, basically.
Pretty much. It's all contained right there.
That does sound like it could really change things. I mean, it almost positions the AI as maybe a competitor to the big online stores eventually.
That's definitely a possibility down the line. And it changes discovery too, right? Instead of just typing keywords.
More conversational.
Yeah, exactly. You can ask in natural language, get more maybe nuanced results. And building on that, there's this thing called operator.
Operator. Okay, what's that?
So think of it as like a next level AI agent from OpenAI. It's specifically designed for shopping, but also other digital tasks. It doesn't just talk. It actively clicks buttons on websites, fills out forms.
Whoa, hold on. It clicks things.
Yeah.
Like navigates websites itself.
Yeah. It can complete transactions, book things. It's powered by the GPT-4o model, this computer using agent thing.
It sounds powerful and a bit sci-fi, honestly. What about, safety? Does it just go rogue?
Ha! No. Good question, though. It's acting on your instructions. You kick it off, you oversee it. Think of it as a super capable assistant. And they're already partnering with places like eBay, Instacart, Etsy.
So it could order groceries or book a table.
Potentially. Yeah. That's the idea. It interacts kind of like a person would.
Okay, so the key things are that autonomous web navigation.
Right. And the focus on making the interactions feel, well, human-like. Plus, there's transparency. You get this sidebar showing its reasoning, its thought process as it works.
That's good. Essential, really. But it sounds very advanced. Surely there are hiccups. It's early days, right?
Oh, for sure. It's definitely still evolving. Sometimes it struggles with really weird or complex website layouts.
Okay.
And it can be a bit slow sometimes. And like any AI, it can make mistakes or occasionally hallucinate info. You still need to keep an eye on it.
Right. Makes sense. So promising, but work in progress. Who gets to use this operator right now?
At the moment, it's limited, select ChatGPT Pro users in the US, and it's part of a premium tier. So it's more of a glimpse into what's coming.
Gotcha. And related to all this, you mentioned Shopify. There's an integration happening there, too.
Yes, exactly. This is another big piece. The plan is to basically turn ChatGPT into a place where you can directly shop from Shopify stores.
So instead of just getting a link, you'll see, what? Actual products.
Yeah. Curated product cards right there in the chat with, real-time prices, reviews, shipping info.
A buy now button.
And a buy now button. You click it, and the purchase goes through Shopify's secure checkout, but you stay inside the ChatGPT conversation the whole time.
Okay, that sounds incredibly smooth for the customer. What's the upside for the Shopify merchants? Seems huge for them.
Potentially massive. They get, direct access to all the people using ChatGPT. Their products could show up from just a normal conversation, maybe meaning less reliance on traditional SEO or ad spending.
And a super easy checkout probably helps sales, too.
Absolutely. That streamlined process could really boost conversion rates. It makes buying much more direct, more conversational.
Does it mean a lot of extra tech work for the sellers?
Apparently not. That's one of the selling points. No extra technical hurdles for the Shopify merchants. It leverages their existing setup.
Interesting. Really leaning into that conversational commerce idea. Okay, you also touched on personalized recommendations. How does that fit in?
Right. So this is where the AI smarts really shine. It uses its understanding of language plus machine learning to figure out what you might like.
Based on
what you ask for, obviously, but also maybe your past buys, your browsing, even the sort of feeling behind your questions. It learns your style.
Can you give an example? Like if I ask for...
Okay, say you ask for best espresso machines under $200 for small spaces. It won't just dump a list. It'll likely show you specific products, maybe with pictures, prices, key review points, and links.
And it might even label them.
Yeah, it might tag one as best budget choice or most compact based on the data it has. Just trying to be helpful.
Are these like sponsored results? Is someone paying to be the best budget choice?
That's a really important point. The claim is no. These recommendations are meant to be impartial. They're supposed to be based on genuine reviews from across the web, media, social platforms, not ads.
Okay.
And the system keeps learning. The more you interact, the better, hopefully, the suggestions get. More tailored to you.
So the aim is really a smoother, more personal shopping journey, potentially more trustworthy if it avoids the sponsored stuff.
Exactly. Streamlined, personalized, trying to increase the chance you find what you actually want and, buy it.
So wrapping up, we're really seeing AI shift from just being a tool you chat with
Yeah.
to something woven directly into how we find and buy things online,
Yeah, it's becoming a core part of the experience, offering totally new ways to shop.
which definitely makes you wonder, how are these AI shopping tools going to change your own online habits down the road? What are the upsides or maybe the downsides you see coming?
Lots to think about there.
Definitely food for thought. Well, that brings us to the end for this session on FinStacks.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.